So we are now on top 3 of my... So we are now... Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just came in, my name is Susie and I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, as you already are seeing, I'm already fully made up. It's not a tutorial, it's not a review on the makeup that I use today, but I am rating my red lipstick collection. Yes! I have been wanting to do this for like how many months now. Talagang matagal ko nang iniisip na gawin ito kasi I've already collected a few red lipsticks that are worth showing to you today. So my red lipstick collection is really not intentional because these are the lipsticks that I just bought along the way. Like in the how many years that I've been going back to makeup, ito lang yung mga lipstick na nakuha ko. And do I intend to add more? Well, we will see if eventually we will. But right now, I have 5. I have 5 red lipsticks that I am rating from top 5 to top 1. And the reason for that is that the brands that I have here, they're very notable and very popular. Naisip ko, sige, gawa natin ng rating para lang mabigyan ko kayo ng magandang idea kung okay bang bilhin ang certain brands o hindi. But definitely, I rated my lipsticks in order of how comfortable it is to wear and how vibrant the red is on my lips. But other aspects of it, like price, the popularity of the brand, I didn't really do that. But it's really just based on how well it is wearing on my lips and how comfortable it is whenever I wear it on a certain day or on a daily basis. So, if you want to see which one I'm wearing today and what number this will be in, please stay tuned and watch this video. So, let's start off with my top 5. So, this is my least favorite. Actually, this red lipstick is my least favorite. Why? Because the moment I bought this from our nanay and it's from Avon. The moment I tried it on, sabi ko, oh no, it's not gonna work out for me. But I will swatch it for you today. Naka top 5 siya kasi nandito siya sa collection ko. Here it is. It is actually a metallic red lipstick. So, let's do it. So I actually bought this to support her because she is an agent or something, or she has a catalog. This particular red lipstick is actually for Christmas kasi medyo metallic siya, may metal siya. Ayusin ko lang. Normally, I would put on a liner but I don't have a liner that will match this one. So, ayan siya. It's a really nice metallic red at medyo bagay siya sa makeup ko ngayon. Okay, medyo nagbabago isip ko. Top 5 ka ba talaga? Yes, top 5 siya kasi it's my least favorite because I feel like bitin yung pagka-red niya sa akin. And it has that metallic colors that later on, yung wear test nito, dun din siya talo eh. Yung wear test niya, parang eventually nagkakaroon ako ng creases, nagiging powdery siya eventually. So, yes, for my top 5, it's the Avon Glam lipstick and it's in the shade Red Velvet. But it does look like it's a red velvet lipstick. So, my top 4. Ito, I'm actually sad na nasa top 4 siya kasi hindi ko talaga, hindi ko to masuot. This is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick in Wicked. The color is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. But I really cannot wear this so well. I need something to help it with. For this one, I will have to put on a lip liner to make it look really nice because in itself, hindi ko talaga siya magamit correctly. Parang hirap ako na paganahin siya sa lips ko. Kailangan ko ng tulong every time na gamit ko to. Kasabay nitong lippy na to is the Wonder Woman lip liner. Maganda siya, don't get me wrong. But nagbi-bleed pa ito kesa dun sa iba kong red lipsticks. Gagamitin natin siya ngayon with a vinyl ink from Maybelline. So, Let's do it, ah. But as it is, the color of this one is really gorgeous. Ang ganda. So guys, my lips are dry. I didn't put anything because that's the thing with this lipstick. You really can't put anything on it. As in, you have to keep your lips dry to be able to apply this seamlessly, which I'm really not a fan of because gusto ko siyang ma-apply na hindi sobrang dry yung lips ko. But I saw this with Gigi Hadid sa Met Gala and she wore it so seamlessly. I think yun eh, may makeup artist kasi siya. Pero me by myself doing this, hirap na hirap ako. So let's do it. See how nice that is? The color is gorgeous. So here it is. Wait lang, I can't smack. I need to let it dry. What I love about this lipstick is that the color is just so vibrant. It is so pretty. And it really makes your lips look so full and plump and really beautiful. Kaya lang, ang hirap talagang gamitin. Kaya siya top 4. I really picked this up very little. As in, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit kasi nga, hirap na hirap akong i-manipulate yung use niya sa lips ko. Ito naman yung kagandahan dito. Hindi na siya magta-transfer. But as I wear it throughout the day, naghihiwalay siya sa lips ko. Pangalawa, ang hirap niyang i-reapply. Isa pa yun. As in, kailangan walang laman talaga yung lips ko para ma-reapply ko yung lipstick. Parang may naiiwan siya. Nagigets niyo yun? May naiiwan siya sa lips, di ba? Syempre, suot mo eh. Pero dahil may naiiwan siyang stickiness, yun yung naiiwan. Meron siyang naiiwang stickiness sa lips ko. Pag magre-reapply, ang pangit-pangit na. Yun lang ang concern ko dito sa vinyl ink na Maybelline. Pero yung kulay, tinan mo naman kung gaano kaganda. Ayan no, 'di ba? Ang ganda talaga eh. Pero yun nga, it's the wear. So we are now on my top 3 of my red lipstick collection. Now this one is a high-end brand. Sobrang sikat and it's my Bobbi Brown Parisian red lipstick. And guys, I think when this came into my life, ganon, parang na-ignite yung aking desires to put on red lipstick again. So there was a time that I really had stopped because I couldn't find a red lippy that is very much equal my first love, which is the Russian red MAC lipstick in the past. So when this came around, I thought, wow, this is a really nice bold red lip that I could wear. So again, I will be wearing this with a red lip liner, and this time I'm gonna use the BYS red lip liner. Guys, sa red lip liner ha, hindi na ako naglagay ng pinakamagaling sa kanila kasi talagang lahat ginagamit ko, maliban dun sa Wonder Woman ni Vice na very least kong ginagamit, kaya ka-category niya si Maybelline. But this one, the BYS one, is actually very good. It's just not my top one. Okay, hindi siya yung top one ko, sasabihin ko na ngayon na. What I like about this is that ang tagal niya rin sa lip. Very good ito pagdating sa longevity. However, pag tinatasahan ko na siya, sobrang lambot masyado, nauubos yung red liner. Kaya yun lang ako, frustrated ako dito kapag ginagamit ko and then mapupurol na siya and then kailangan ko na siyang tasahan. I really need a really good sharpener to be able to do this, to use this. But the wear and how gorgeous it is on the lips, very good. This can match my top one, which you will know a little later. So let's go. Let's do it. So I forgot, no? This time, since this is the Bobbi Brown one, sa mga pataas na, pwede akong mag-chapstick nga pala. I forgot. Sorry. Lagay ko lang ha, kasi ang hirap iswipe ng mga liners kapag walang lip balm for me. I really need it. So here we go again. See how nice this is without even the lipstick on its own? The color is gorgeous. See, even on its own, it's like a cherry red liner. And now the lipstick. I love it! So this is Bobbi Brown and the BYS lip liner. So what can I say about this Bobbi Brown? It's gorgeous. Yung sinasabi niyang Parisian red, o diba? Parang MAC lang. Si MAC may Russian red. Ito, naging Parisian red. Totoo nga ang Parisian red. Like, I would imagine it with French girls wearing this lip shade. Like, there was a time I would wear this crazy all the time. I would still pick it up. Sometimes, when I apply red lipstick, I want it there. Like, hindi na ako magre-retouch ng matagal. This needs retouching. After a few hours, you need to retouch. It's not going to last so long on your lips, especially kapag kumain ka na. In fact, I have a friend that told me na every time I eat, I actually have to remove lipstick so that you don't ingest it. It makes a lot of sense. If you are gonna go out to eat like a good dinner and then you're wearing this lipstick, and yeah, you can easily remove it and then retouch again. If you're not gonna eat, let's say you're just gonna go out, you need your lipstick to stay intact. This is not the lipstick that you should be using because it will come off eventually. Hindi siya ganun ka-long wear. Pero for me, okay lang. If I want something like na medyo relax lang sa lips ko, if I want something like, and if I have the time, maraming oras to reapply, okay lang. Okay na okay tong lipstick na to. Kaya ito ang aking top 3. This is Parisian Red by Bobbi Brown. We are now on top 2 of my red lipstick collection. Okay, giddy ako dito. Why? This makeup brand, I have been raving about this since last year. And I made a video on the Super Lustrous Cream Lipsticks. So alam niyo na kung ano to. It's the Revlon Matte Super Lustrous Lipsticks. I think Super Lustrous din ito. I'm not really sure. But it's the new matte lipsticks of Revlon. I always match this with my BYS lip liner. Let me share with you why I love this. Ang tagal niya sa lips at hindi siya pumapangit kapag suot mo ng matagal. Yun ang gusto ko sa matte red lipstick, na kahit na gaano mo katagal kasuot, hindi siya pumapangit sa lips. And Revlon, ang galing, ang husay. Like, I've worn this, guys, hindi naman kasi ako talaga nag-overnight na makeup. So, minsan, 6 hours, ganun lang katagal ko sila gagamitin. And yung 6 hours na yun, talagang buong-buo pa siya sa lips ko. There's no need to retouch. Kaya I really love this matte. Every lipstick na ilabas ni Revlon, pack na pack. I love it. It's the Super Lustrous line, ha? Yun lang yung actually na-try ko at gusto ko. Yung iba, hindi ko pa nasusubukan kasi medyo mahal na siya for lipstick. Like I said, this is $375 and it's so good on the lips. It's dry. It's matte. But it's not bad. It's the comfort that you wear on your lips. Pag ginagamit mo to, sobrang wala lang. Parang andun lang siya eh. Hindi, she will not make you feel uncomfortable, which I love in a lipstick. So, lalagyan ko na ulit ng balm kasi I really need it. Isa pa yun, guys, ang mark of a true matte lipstick for me is even if I apply a balm underneath, okay pa rin siya. Yun yung gusto ko sa mga matte red lipsticks. And normally, I really would, in my 20s, mas nakasanayan kong magsuot ng red lipstick in matte, hindi sa cream. Kasi, yun nga, mas gusto kong matagal siya sa lips. So, game. Gawin na natin. And this is how I would normally wear this or apply it. It's always with the lip liner and then I shade everything. Papasok. And now, let me show you how I would actually wear this. So, I would apply it first. Like so. Ah, so nice. You know, there's only one reason why I am not yet buying a MAC Russian Red. It's really because of this. I really think that the shade match of that is this one. Ang ganda nito talaga. Ayan. See? And then, what I would do is blot it with tissue. Ito yung nag-e-ensure na magtatagal siya. I blot it first and then I reapply a little bit back. Konting-konti lang. Konti lang. Parang I allow my lips to feel some dryness. Kumbaga parang nag-mattify na siya. So pag may mga natanggal lang na mga areas dun sa pagkakablot ko, binabalik ko lang ng konti. Pero ayan na, parang nakakasa na sa lips ko yung red lipstick na yan. Kaya it will last me ng matagal na matagal na. There are 2 shades that I have been frequently using. This is the second one. Look how nice it is. It is so gorgeous. The value for your money on this one, amazing. I love it. I really love it. And now for my top one. Woohoo! If you follow me on Instagram, I am sure you already know what this is. Ta-da-da-da! My MAC Ruby Woo Maximal Lipstick. Super sulit nung binili ko. Guys, nagulat ako. Ang mahal na ng MAC. Ang mahal na ng lipstick nila. Inabutan ko pa na ang lipstick nila dati ay 800 plus lang sa Canada. Or even lower pa. Or 800 dito, 700 something sa Canada. But now, this is already 1,400. Ibig sabihin, hindi na madaling bilhin. Pinag-iisipan na. However, I am so bent on getting the new formulation because it has been my favorite. Russian Red was my first love for red lipstick. And yun talaga when I was using it, like I said in my past videos, if you have been with me, MAC became so drying on my lips when I really got older. When I was in my 20s, okay pa eh. But when I got older, talagang so hard to wear. Like, there was like a time in my life, I think it was when I gave birth, na talagang I could not wear a matte lip at all. Talagang hirap na hirap ako. But, thankfully, the new formula is so good. And it has become my top one. And of course, ang kanyang match na red lip liner, o tinan mo lumang-luma na. At tinan mo kung gaano nakaliit. Nagkamali pa nga ako ng takip dito. So yeah guys, tinan mo kung gaano kaliit na to at gaano kagamit. There was a time na hindi ko to magamit kasi hindi ko talaga alam paano gumamit ng lip liner until recently napanood ko yung aking mga Instagram influencers na sobrang natutuwa ako pag nagme-makeup sila. Gumagamit sila ng Ruby Woo or Cherry MAC lip liner. And this is in the shade Cherry. I still don't have the Ruby Woo lip liner and I am eyeing that for the next because I know for sure it will be so good. But hinay-hinay tayo sa gastos. Yes guys, naghihinay-hinay. We will really be mindful with what we buy and review for you because we also don't want to hoard too much unless people are listening, brands are listening, and if you would want to send out your makeup to me, why not? But before any of that, I am showing you, doing a review on all of the makeup that I bought. Para talagang walang bias yung marinig ninyo na review. And guys, this did not disappoint this time. The new formula of the MAC, it is now called the Maximal Matte Lipstick by MAC. Ang ganda! I am so blown away and so thankful for the new formulation because it is now so easy to use and I can go back to my old lipstick, my old red bullets of MAC because ang gaan na niyang gamitin sa lips. Let's do it! So again, this is MAC lip liner in Cherry. Normally, the Cherry one, I pair it with Russian Red. But like I said, because I still have the Revlon, ayoko pang bumili ng Russian Red. Maybe, pag di na ako nakatiis. Sabay-sabay na sila, pati yung Ruby Woo na lip liner. In most of the videos that I've seen, ang pinagsasama nila na lip liner at saka sa Russian Red na lipstick is the cherry one. And then yung Ruby Woo and Ruby Woo na lip liner naman ang kasabay. But since ito lang ang meron tayo, ito na. So here we go. This is how gorgeous I feel this Ruby Woo. And I'm so thankful I got it. I am so happy I got it because it's so good. So, game na. So just like in my top 2, this is how I would wear it. I would apply it generously. Like this. And then blot it. And then I will feel my lips if nandun na siya sa parang nagmattify na siya sa lips ko. And then apply it a little bit more. This is MAC Ruby Woo. And the wear of this one, you will not be disappointed because it's so long. Matagal. Long wearing ito si MAC. Ang kagandahan pa niya, this time, yung lines, pag matte lipstick naman talaga ang suot mo, maraming lines talaga. Parang it creates a lot of lines on your lips. But this time, this is not. Like, it's so controlled. Like, it doesn't have that much moisture. It's not as moisturizing as the claims of others. I don't think it is. But it is so easy to swipe now on your lips. Hindi na katulad dati. Ito, I've always had a difficulty dun sa dating formula. Whenever I would wear it, maghihiwalay. Yun yung laging concern ko. But this time, hindi na siya naghihiwalay. It stays on your lips. It's not a movable type of lipstick, which I love. It's so long wearing. Like, it's so comfy on the lips as well. Like the blotting, I do it because I want to execute the matte. You understand what I'm trying to say? But I normally do it to make sure that the matte qualities of my lipstick is executed. Something like that. But binablot ko talaga para talaga mag-retain yung color sa lips, and then I would just add para lang dun sa mga areas na parang nabutas or nawala ng kulay. Ganun lang ang ginagawa ko. And sobrang tagal bago ako mag-reapply. Kaya ito ang aking number 1. You know, wait. Wag niyo sabihin na, ikaw talaga, MAC lang yan eh. Pero hindi. Actually, pwede silang mag-number 1 pareho. Sa totoo lang. Pwede silang mag-number 1 pareho. Pero, lumamang lang ng konti to kasi yung feel niya sa lips, kahit na matte siya, yung dryness, hindi pareho nitong Revlon. Yun lang. Yun lang ang difference. So, my top 1 is the MAC Ruby Woo. And so that is it for today's video. I sure hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing this for you, because this rating my red lipstick collection today was just a joy to do. And I really sure hope to see you again on the next video. Have a great day, guys! Goodbye!